No, preparing for battle. Yeah, so as I was saying, it's battle and it's war in 3 minutes. I better go tell Commander Rex. Commander Rex! Come in! Commander Rex! We're preparing for battle. Okay. Okay, take 3.